Bird was on speed. That's why he was so quick to get out of Sesame Street.
Stop playing.
And Fozzie the Bear, you know what he had? Borderline personality disorder. But let me say this. Check this out. I want to say one great thing.
Tell us.
I suffer from adult ADHD, which is the worst form of ADHD. My father abused me growing up. Had me sodomized, molested, raped. I've been pushed left, right, and center. But you see what? If ever you want to believe in faith, no matter what you believe in, if it's clothes, if it's material, you see me? I'm the proof that faith exists because I was a prodigal child who put my family through hell. And you see now for the first time, my sister had a son. And for 5 years, he didn't know I was his uncle. He thought I was my mother's friend. And now I get a chance to be in my sister's new son's life. So I'm saying this, I didn't take my pain and make it an excuse to do harm. Even if you have darkness in you, you don't have to bow to the darkness. Even if you're a dog, you don't have to sniff. Everybody has a chance to change. But you know how the world can change? Is by not letting what you see in front of you as face value. Everybody has a chance to do better, but only you can. And the reason why I don't go and preach is you guys see why I'm Martin Luther King and Malcolm X and John F. Kennedy, so I'm going to do it on the slide.